Your navigation lights are turned on by pressing the nav light button on your switch panel. The blue telltale ring will come on when the nav light button is activated. This will turn on the red and green running lights as well as the 360 white light that's on top of the mast on the back of the hardtop. If you decide you would like to anchor and want to display your anchor light, there is another switch just below the nav lights, which is anchor light. Press this and it will illuminate a 360-degree anchor light. .375 Nomad has an auxiliary switch panel on the starboard side of the helm. The switch on the far starboard side operates a vent, which allows the air to flow onto the people at the helm. The switch in the center operates the windshield wiper. Press the back of that switch to activate the wiper circuit. On the port side of the panel, there's a washer. The washer is activated by pressing the front of the button. In order to use the washer, you have to first turn on the fresh water pump, so be sure that's on.